Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello dear student. Now today we will introduce 100. What is the sum of 99 and 1? How can we write it? 99 is equal 9 tenths plus 9 unit. Okay student? You know 9 tenths plus 9 unit is equal to 99. Look this. This is a bunch of tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 tens. And there is unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 unit. There is no digit bigger than 9. When there are 10 unit in the unit house, make a bundle of them and place it in the house of each of left. Look this, 99 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 tenths plus 1 tenth. 9 tenths plus 1 tenth. 9 tenths means 90. Plus 1 tenths means 10. So 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So student, 10 tenths means 100. Now there are 10 tenths in the tens house. Make a big bundle of 10 tenths. Place this bundle in a house on the left. This big bundle is now as 100. It is written as 100. Look this. There is house of 100 and 0 tens. 0 unit is like this. 100. 100 means 100. 10 0 unit 0 means 1 0 0 100. It contains 100, 0, 10 and 0 units. So 100 is written as 1000.